These Soundcore headphones are my absolute favorite. I have tried out a lot of different headphones over the years, but these continue to be my favorite. I use them every day. They have 3 different modes, which you can get to back here. There's transparency mode, normal, and my favorite, noise canceling, which is great when you have a lot of distractions around. You can easily control the volume up, volume down, and then this is the on and off button. Also the pause and play button, which is really handy to have. And then here's where you can plug it into charge using a USB-C, and also if you haven't charged it and you need to use a cable instead to connect to your device. These have been really great in terms of Bluetooth connectivity. I can easily go between my computer and my iPad depending on what I want to listen to. Highly suggest. I've had these for, gosh, years now, and they look brand new still.